Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser, and as you can see, I'm feeling myself today. I really like the style. I like how it turned out, and I actually was really loving my lipstick. I don't know why, because I wear red lipstick all the time, but I was loving it again. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do this. By the way, if you're new here, girl, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bar so that you know when I upload a new video. So as you can see, I'm starting out on stretched hair or blow dried it. I blow dried it a little bit, not too much, and I'm just going to do some parts. So I'm dividing my hair into 3 sections just to make it easier to work in sections, and then I'm just going to tie the hair at the back just to keep it away for now, and I'll tie one section at the front also. I'll be using the Shine and Jump conditioning gel. I realized that Dark and Lovely also has the same gel, and Dark and Lovely is pretty available pretty much everywhere in the world. So if you don't have the one that I'm using here in your country, then check out the Dark and Lovely one. I just bought it and I'm probably going to start using it because it's easily accessible for everyone. So as you can see, I'm dividing my hair into boxes, and I'm going to use rubber bands to section those boxes away. So you're definitely going to need rubber bands for this hairstyle. You can do a twist if you want to, or a small braid. I it works the same. Actually, no, it won't work. It won't work. Never mind that. So you're going to need rubber bands if you're going to do it the same exact way that I'm doing it. So I ended up dividing it into 4 sections, but I didn't like the 4 sections, so I just wanted to do like 5 sections. So I went ahead at the front and divided that in two. I should have probably divided the second box as well into two, but I only did 5 sections in total, and I did that for the other side as well. And then after doing that for the other side, I started connecting the boxes together. And as you can see, I'm just trying to pull the hair so that it can lay as flat as possible without pulling my hair too much. And then I'm dividing it into two, and then I'm connecting it to the box at the back of it using a rubber band again, and I continued doing that until I got to the end of it. Because my hair was not properly blow dried, it just wasn't laying as flat as I wanted it to lay, and it just I don't know, it just didn't turn out the way I wanted or the way I pictured in my head, or like a picture that I saw on Pinterest that I was trying to recreate. Like that girl's hair was just way more flatter, and I guess her hair was actually relaxed, or maybe it was straightened, so that might be why. But my hair, just like the roots were just so poofy, and it just wasn't laying as flat as I wanted it to, and I found that a little frustrating. But again, it's my hair. That's all I have to work with, and I love it. I love it still. At the end of it, honestly, I did like the outcome. It looked nice. It looked pretty, as you saw at the beginning. But I wish that it had laid flat as I wanted, or as the style looked like. But you know what, girl? I'm the one who's always saying like you should learn to work with your hair and just love your hair the way it is. So I am going to rock that spirit right now. Okay, I love my hair, and honestly, I wouldn't change it for anything else. I love it. Since I learned to work with it, I don't know. I'm just loving it. I really am. So love your hair and just learn to work with it. And the limitations it comes with, well, you just can't do those things. But there's so many other things that you can do with your hair that other people also cannot do with their hair. So I love my hair, girl, and I hope you're loving yours too, or at least learning how to work with it so you can learn how to love it. So at the end of it, I'm just going to put them in a bun at the top of my head, and then I'm just going to take the conditioning gel and just try to lay all the little edges that were left out from the rubber band, because I usually don't like pulling my hair. So if it cannot reach, then it cannot reach. That's it. I'll just use the gel to lay it as flat as I wanted it to lay. So after just staying with the scarf for a few minutes, or not a few minutes, more like half an hour, I removed it, and this is what it looked like. It looks like everything is laying flat, honestly. Look at it. And then just to make my bun, I'm going in with a pack of Mali hair. I'm using like a third, not a third, like 3/4 of the pack, and I'm just going to wrap it around the little bun. I don't know why I didn't use a rubber band just to make it easier for me to put this band on, but I guess I felt like making my own life difficult. You can use a rubber band to make it easier for you to put the the band on, but I just rolled it around and I used some pins to secure it in place, and it was secure. It actually didn't move at all. But that's what it looks like. I really like the outcome of it at the end of it. So I love it, and it just looks a little bit plain, so I decided to go on and accessorize it a little bit. So I used this silver string. I never use silver accessories because I don't know, I'm just not into them, but I have a few of them and I'm like, yeah, so you have to use them sometimes. So that's why I decided to use it, although I still like the gold accessories way better. So I'm just using that and I'm tying it, and it looks nice, but I still want to use the gold accessories. Even looking at it right now, I want to use the gold accessories instead. And just to finish the look, I'm going in with this Map of Africa earrings. They are made from bone, not human bones. And I'm just going to use that to finish the look. I got these earrings again when I was in Kenya. I got most of my earrings when I was in Kenya. I think next time, like when I go there, I'll just get a lot of earrings because people always ask me where I get them from. I'll probably get a lot of them, and I don't know, maybe find another side hustle or something like that by selling earrings, but we shall see. We shall see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up and also leave a comment down below, guys. I will see you on the channel on Saturday. Have a lovely week. Bye.